The gondola. It's very small, but you can see the gondola line going up the side of the mountain. And we're going to go up that later on this afternoon, not this morning.
This afternoon.
There's Squamish. Kite surfing and paragliding are huge in this area, as Squamish is actually a Squamish word in the Squamish language, and it means mother of the wind. So the town of Squamish is very windy usually. So paragliders, kite surfers, windsurfers love this area. One of the many outdoor activities. In addition to skiing and snowboarding and mountain biking and fishing, hunting, you name it, you can do it in this area. So yeah, before this highway was completed, this was a logging road, and Squamish was a rough and tumble logging town. Since this highway was completed in the late 60s, it's turned Squamish into a recreation town. Lots of ski bums and mountain biking bums, I'll call them. They're not bums, they just,
Vancouver,
that's all they do.
On the way to
Enjoy themselves.
In Canada. Very pretty view.
So the Squamish legend around Shannon Falls, the proper name for Shannon Falls is Quequetsum. And what Quequetsum is, the waterfall, is a doorway or a portal for a sea creature, a sea serpent, that lives in Howe Sound. And the sea serpent uses Quequetsum to escape into the mountains. And it, coincidentally, the sea creature is most active in the springtime, when the runoff is at its greatest. So that is the story of Quequetsum, which we are arriving at now. So we'll be here about half an hour. It's 9:47 now. Let's say 10:15. So a little less than half an hour. Let's say 10:15 will be, I would like everybody back on the bus.
Here's Mark. This one.
There are washrooms here. But there are nicer amenities at the Adventure Center, which we'll make just a 10-minute stop at after Shannon Falls or Quequetsum.
So come with us, see them.
So no amenities here, just the washrooms. There might be a little